We get a chance to mic up Gladiators head coach Jeff Pyle as we check out the sounds of the game.
Franny, remember, you guys, if you forecheck with a guy, lock him. Don't think we're going to get it. Once you start to come back, you got to cheat defensively. Don't cheat offensively. Remember, you guys, 5-on-3, run it regular. 5-on-3 regular. Younger up top, hey? Run it regular. Bertz! Bertz! Keep Carsey on that post, you stay in the slot. Work that cycle with some movement, but do it with some tempo. Yeah, stay. We're not doing the box in one.